What is difference between economics and finance is that finance is of three types. One that deals with person, that is called personal finance. Second, that deals with companies, we call it corporate finance, and that is also part of one economics, managing companies' daily expenses and budgets comes under economics, which is called microeconomics. So economics is basically managing a company or a country income and expenses. That comes part under economics. Managing something becomes part of economics. Do you know there is one economist at your house? Do you know there is at least one economist at your own house? Can you tell me who he or she is? Exactly. Your mom is one of the best economists, and your dad is also an economist. Considering the broader scenario, your dads manage where to do the expenses and where to cut down the expenses, how to earn money, where to spend this money. And your mom is the economist of kitchen, for example. Finance is a broader term, movement of money from savers to spenders is called finance. Economics is managing the money or managing the stuff in a company, in a country, or whatsoever. Finance is basically movement of money from the one who saves it and to the one who uses it. The one who saves it and the one who uses it. There are three kinds of finance: personal finance, corporate finance about the company, and global finance about the economy. One question: how much did one pen, not this particular brand of pen, how much did one pen cost you 5 years back? Was it cheaper or expensive? Was it cheaper or expensive? How much did one notebook cost you 5 years back? Cheaper or expensive? Maybe 10 rupees 10 years ago and 50 rupees today. But these things are very subjective. What about the milk that you drink every day? When you were born, milk was less than 30 rupees per kilogram or per liter. Today, milk is costing approximately 50 rupees or 45 rupees or 40 rupees, depending on the quality of the milk per liter. During COVID-19 situation, you are not going to watch a movie. Are you? I don't think so. But when you used to go 5 years ago or 7 years ago, was the ticket cost cheaper or expensive? Was the ticket cost cheaper or expensive? So everything, can we say everything is becoming expensive? Can we say everything is just becoming expensive? Not everything. Not everything. But assuming, do you know the meaning of the word ceteris paribus? Keeping all other things constant. Keeping all other things constant means ceteris paribus. अगर आप सब कुछ कांस्टेंट रखो तो हाँ चीजों के प्राइसेस बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. इफ द टेक्नोलॉजी हैज इंप्रूव्ड तो उस चीज के प्राइस कम हो जाएंगे. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स, इफ वी आर यूजिंग इन द सेम पैटर्न, द थिंग्स आर जस्ट बिकमिंग एक्सपेंसिव. 9 or 8 out of 10 things are becoming expensive. So broadly we can say that the things are becoming expensive.